Have you ever imagined cutting down your fish feed cost while improving water quality at the same time? Well, that's exactly what this small green plant called Azolla can do for your fish farm. In today's video on Aquamarket 7, we'll explore the powerful uses of Azolla in aquaculture, from fish feeding to water management. Stay tuned! Azolla is a small floating aquatic fern that grows rapidly on the surface of ponds. It's rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals, making it a perfect organic supplement for fish and livestock feed. Azolla contains about 25 to 35% protein and essential amino acids that support fast fish growth. Farmers feed it fresh or dried to species like catfish, tilapia, and carp. Using Azolla can replace up to 30% of commercial feed, saving money while maintaining growth performance. Azolla doesn't just feed your fish, it also cleans your pond. It absorbs excess nitrogen and phosphorus, balancing the ecosystem and reducing algae bloom. This keeps your fish pond healthier and your management cost lower. Before we continue, if you're finding this video helpful so far, take a moment to like this video, drop your thoughts in the comments, and share it with other fish farmers who need this knowledge. And don't forget to subscribe to Aquamarket 7, your #1 source for smart aquaculture insights. Azolla has a symbiotic relationship with a bacteria called Anabaena azalea, which naturally fixes nitrogen from the air. This enriches your pond with nutrients, boosting natural plankton that your fish love to eat. Azolla also helps prevent mosquito breeding, shades your pond to control algae, and acts as a probiotic when dried and mixed into feed. It's a real multi-purpose helper in aquaculture. Don't let Azolla cover the entire pond. Too much can block sunlight and reduce oxygen at night. Harvest it regularly and rinse if collected from polluted water. When managed well, Azolla becomes a low-cost solution with big benefits. So, are you ready to grow Azolla on your farm? If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with fellow farmers, and subscribe to Aquamarket 7 for more smart farming tips every week.